yung unang experience ko is yung lungkot, 'di ba? Number one talaga yun na kailangan mong i-tackle yung ma-homesick ka talaga. And of course, iba na yung environment mo and having yung culture din, 'di ba? Hindi kayo pwedeng mag-party, hindi kayo pwedeng lumabas magkakasama ng mga kaibigan mong lalaki. So, you have different, yung lifestyle doon is very different. But then sa pagtitiyaga din siguro, no, and kung yung talagang pangarap mo na matupad mo is yung motivation mo, kinakailangan nandun para magtagumpay ka. Para sa akin, number one talaga yun yung motivation mo. Oo, yes. Huwag kang aalis doon kasi yung pangarap mo di ba? Kahit saang bagay naman kinakailangan positive ka, yung mindset mo. Find the right product for them. Depende din sa budget nila. But property investment is the best investment today. Not only us, but even foreign. Marami akong mga foreign investors ngayon na talagang into property investment. And they are looking into the Philippines because for them, mas mababa pa yung property prices natin than here. And than anywhere else. Ang masasabi ko is commitment and yung focus nila. And what is it for them? Kung mag-i-invest ka, it is a lifetime commitment and it is a lifetime investment.